Okay, this is English video. I recently made the Hindi video, uploaded also. So we will see here the secret of Mrityunjay mantra. Like why Mrityunjay mantra is so much important in Vedic tradition. Like those who are part of the Vedic tradition, they know like when someone is terribly ill or just in the on the deathbed, like they say, in the hospital or after surgery or even high fever, to save the person, generally Mrityunjay mantra is chanted at the last moment, like when there are no hopes for any medical treatment. Even doctors also say like we cannot do any more anything. Then people do the anushtanam of Mrityunjay mantra, like 1,000, 1 lakh chanting by Brahmins, or some people put the shivling in their home in the water. They will submerge the shivling in the water and they will say Mrityunjay mantra. But what is the secret of it? We will see the secret in this video. See on the screen some pics you are seeing. Now, this thing I cracked last year when I was going through one Rasa Shastra books, in which different names of the metals were given, in which where the names of the copper were given, one name was Trembak, and then it clicked. So Trembak is name of copper. Now the mantra, you know, that Trambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityurmukshiyamamrutat. Trambakam yajamahe. Like I burn the copper. Then I burn the copper with what? Sugandhim pushtivardhanam. Again, here is one uparas in Ayurveda and Rasa Shastra, which is sulfur. Name of the sulfur in Sanskrit, different names are there. One name is Gandhak, other name is Sugandham or Saugandh. So here the Mrityunjay mantra gives the process of the medicine making. This is one type of bhasma in Ayurveda. Most of the Ayurvedic doctors and the practitioners know this bhasma. This is not like I am inventing a new medicine, but this medicine is already used. Tamra bhasma and copper sulfate bhasma, or what is called tuttha bhasma. So these are very effective medicines, and so this mantra carries the formula for that medicine. Then urvarukam iva bandhana. Urvaruk is the name for the umbar tree. So while making the bhasma, the branch of that tree has to be used. And you can see the photo also of this bhasma which I made. And means this shows like how one single line of the Vedic mantra. Now this mantra belongs to Rigveda and Yajurveda both. I think in Atharvaveda maybe it's there, but I'm not sure. But in Rigveda and Yajurveda this mantra is there. So it shows like how single line of mantra carries importance. Not only just for chanting or upasana or worship, but it carries the importance for material sciences, the whole integral growth of humanity. Like it has the meanings for Vimana Shastra. The same mantra, same Mrityunjay mantra will have meanings for Rasa Shastra, for Ayurveda, for Vimana Shastra. It will have meaning for biology. It will have meaning for Tantra applications. So every mantra has 5-6 different interpretations depending upon the subject of the science. And imagine like in Rigveda, if this mantra carries so much importance, which everybody knows, and that uh, which gives this procedure. There are many similar mantras in Rigveda. Like first mantra, Sukta of the Rigveda, where it starts Agnimiye Purohitam Yajnasya Deva Rutvijam Hotaram Ratnadatamam. So in that sukta also, that whole nine ruchas are on the metallurgy. So there is one paper also, me and my one friend, we both wrote that paper on the first sukta of Rigveda. And you can interpret it like it is a prayer to the Agni to give us precious metals and gold and diamonds. So like that, there are many mantras in Rigved, in Yajurved, in Atharvaved, which talk about metals. In the Atharvaveda, you will see there are mantras for the lead bullets, bullet formation guns. That's a different subject of technology. So here we can see the why the Mrityunjay mantra was so much important, and why people were chanting it 1,000 times, 1 lakh times, doing the anushthan of the mantra, and like hoping to get people saved. Like earlier times, I said at the start of the video, when person is on its last breath, or when medicines cannot save that person, this mantra is supposed to be chanted. This in a way suggests the power of the mantras. Like the mantra not only gives a benefit in spiritual way, but also it carries the formula, the medicinal formula. And many use the mantras to enchant the water or gemstones, and then they keep it on the body or in their puja room or in their purse or something. But the direct formula. Now, this is why the Vedas were revered as a fountainhead of the knowledge, because they carry the knowledge of the all branches of the all sciences. That's why the Ved word itself is called as a knowledge. The Vid dhatu, with word, with verb, from which the word Ved has formed, it means knowledge, wisdom. So every mantra, if you think like to get the meaning of the mantra, you have to do, it is called anusandhanam or nididhyasanam. Means you have to think on that mantra with focus on your subject matter. Like if you are focused on the Viman Shastra, or if you are focus on the mechanical engineering, automobile. So like from this mantra, one can say about Viman Shastra also, because Trambak, there is one meaning of Trambak which is like having a three angles. So triangular plane is running. Yajamahe can also be interpreted as an exhaust. Like with the fire or burning of the engine, the exhaust comes. And what the fuel to be used? The Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Again here sulfur is indicated, but sulfur in what? Sulfur in petroleum. The petrol or the crude oil has most natural sulfur in that, in the content. So here again you can get the formula for engine fuel. So many formulas can be found from these mantras. If we keep attention, same is case with the Gayatri mantra. Then there are suktas for particular deities like Surya, Indra, Agni. On that, if you know what is the subject matter of that sukta, then you can get the meaning. I hope this video will inspire people to more study the Ved mantras and not just chant. That is said like that chanting without meaning is never supposed to give any fruit. So understand the meaning and explore our Vedic science, because today in trying to revive the Indian sciences, many fake things are circulating. So it's important for you to know the exact sciences and pseudoscience. We don't want to circulate the pseudoscience under the name of Vedic science. So follow this channel, and I am going to post more videos in both languages, English and Hindi, so it can reach to more audience. Also, the Instagram page Vedic Vimana you can follow for the similar subjects, and this YouTube channel Alchemy of Red Mercury. So the Mrityunjay Mahamrityunjay mantra, the secret is revealed here. Thank you.